In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger Salesforce outbound message. By the end, you'll have the foundational setup in place using a record-triggered flow, so your integration can react automatically when the right data changes in Salesforce. First, head into Salesforce in Lightning Experience and make sure you're signed in with the proper admin permissions. From anywhere in the app, click the gear icon to open settings. This takes you into the configuration area where automation lives. If you see a compact view, choose Open Advanced Setup to access the full admin console. That broader view makes it easier to find exactly what we need. In the Setup sidebar, use the Quick Find search and type Flow. You'll land on the Flows page under Process Automation. This is where we build low-code logic that runs behind the scenes. Click New Flow to start building. When Salesforce asks what type of flow you want, choose Record Triggered Flow. Record Triggered flows fire automatically when a record is created, updated, or deleted. Perfect for kicking off an outbound message without any manual clicks from your users. Next, in the flow's starting configuration, click Object and select the email-related object. In many orgs, this is the standard email message object. Choose the object that actually holds the data your integration depends on, so the trigger sure runs at the right moment. Selecting the correct object is crucial. It determines what kind of record changes will wake up the flow and ultimately drive your outbound message logic. As you configure this screen, keep your criteria in mind. Even though we're focusing on the core setup here, it's smart to think through when the flow should run, such as only when a record is created, or only when specific fields change, to avoid unnecessary calls to your downstream system. Clear, minimal criteria help performance and reduce noise for your integration. Now click Save. Give your flow a clear, consistent name and a helpful description. For example, noting that it's intended to initiate an outbound message when email activity meets to certain conditions. Good naming and documentation will save you time later when you or a teammate returns to adjust the logic. That's it for the initial build. We navigated to Setup, opened Advanced Setup, found flows, created a new record-triggered flow, selected the appropriate email object, and saved our work. With this foundation in place, you're positioned to connect your outbound messaging pattern according to your organization's integration standards, keeping governance, security, and monitoring in mind. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a clean, reliable trigger ready for the next phase of your integration workflow.